40 pounds? I'm locking up all of the junk food. From now on, if you want to eat, it has to be healthy.
What? Oh, man.
She couldn't have locked up all the food. I just gotta find it.
Oh, I'm so tired.
Oh, I knew she was hiding something. Luckily, I got this. Yes! Oh, now I just gotta pull it in. Yes, I got the first one. Now I gotta get the rest. Oh, come on. Almost there.
Huh? What's going on?
Oh no, Mom woke up.
What? A fishing rod? Max, what are you doing?
Oh, I was using it to practice.
Nice try, Max, but you have to go eat your vegetables.
Oh, man.
Well, I eat this donut. Lily, you have to clean up immediately. Your room is a disaster.
Can't you just wait till I'm done with this game?
No more games until you're done cleaning.
Man, it's winter break. I just want to play games. I'll just hide my phone in here. My mom would never suspect a book.
Hey, Lily, Lily?
Huh?
Why haven't you finished cleaning yet?
I'm studying for next semester. I want to be student of the month when I get back.
Wow, Lily, you work so hard. Don't you worry, I'll clean up so you can study.
Thank you, Mom. Wow, my pasta looks so good. Now I just need to make the sauce. Oh no! This was my last tomato. How am I gonna make the sauce now? Oh! Since I don't have tomatoes, I have to get creative. I'll just put some red food coloring into orange pulp to make it look like spaghetti sauce. Whoa, this looks so real! Now I just need to add some seasoning. Whoa, this is such a great solution. This is gonna be so good.
Great job, Lily. This looks delicious.
I love pasta.
Ew, Lily, what is this? It's so gross.
Yeah, what recipe did you use?
I'm sorry, I improvised the sauce with oranges.
What, are you serious?
Don't worry, guys. I'll just order pizza.
Oh, thanks, Mom. You saved us.
So what movie should we watch, my love?
I think... Hello? Yeah, I'll be right there. Hey, I'm sorry, I have to go.
Where are you going? Something weird is going on with Fred. I need to spy on him. Oh no!
Huh? Is someone there? Guess there's nothing.
Where are you, Fred?
This is the best bouquet ever.
I know. Huh?
I caught you! I can't believe you're cheating on me! Who is she, Fred?
Cheating? I got this bouquet for you. Sophie's the best florist in town.
Oh, thank you! They're so beautiful! Sorry.
It's okay. Let's go home and watch the movie.
Yay! Pleasure doing business with you.
Fred, what was that for?
Come play video games with me, Max.
Thanks, but my girlfriend's coming over. I have to clean.
Come on, Max. We're on vacation. Let's relax.
I don't care. I need to clean.
You're so lame. Wait. I have another way to play with Max. You want to clean, Max? I'll let you clean. Have fun, Max.
Oh, all done. Yes. Oh, what? I just vacuumed over there. Oh, I need to hurry. I'll just clean it again.
I can do this all day.
Fred, you gotta put away the products faster. Come on, people are not gonna see it.
Yes, boss.
Hurry up, Fred. Hello, did you see a customer? Oh, man.
Oh, sorry. Oh, just this item? Okay, that'll be $3.
Hurry up, Fred. Thank you.
Hi, Fred!
Hey.
I didn't know you worked here.
Yeah, me me neither. How do you like it?
Well, it's my first day.
Fred, I'm not paying you to chit chat. Get back to work.
Sorry, boss. No, you don't
Faster!
You know what? I quit. Oh, does that mean you can hang out with us?
Yeah, that'd be so fun.
Yeah, let's go.
Wait, you can't quit. It's your first day. No!
Excuse me, how much for the signed photo?
That'll be $10.
$10? That's a steal. Here you go.
Thank you.
Lily, what are you doing? That picture was autographed by John. Why would you sell that?
Sorry, Max, but I already sold it. I can't get it back now.
Wait. These are all my comic books. Lily, why are you selling all my stuff?
I needed extra money for my textbooks next semester.
If you need extra money, sell your own stuff.
I'll be back for my business trip tomorrow. Keep the house clean, okay?
All right, bye, Dad. Have a good trip.
All right, see ya.
Hey, Fred, Sophie. Yeah, party at my house today. Bring lots of snacks. Yeah, so we just gotta make sure we're clean at the end of the day.
This is gonna be so much fun.
Yeah. This is so much fun.
Max!
Dad, what are you doing back?
I forgot my folder, but what's going on? Why is it so messy?
I can explain.
Yeah, we were gonna clean up after the party.
Yeah.
You two can leave, but Max, you're grounded. You gotta clean everything up.
Hi, everyone. If you guys like our video, leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.